And what? She was standing there with my man.
There's Navy Pier.
I'm crying. Oh.
That's such a T clip. Like that's gonna be so
Oh my
cute.
gosh.
Yeah, push it.
All right, y'all.
Navy Pier, the People's Pier, and welcome to the spectacular new Centennial Wheel, named
In the choir say, he placed the ring. Oh, I saw them. And what? She was standing there with my man. I heard them promise, tell death, do aspire, and each word was a pain in my heart. All I could do was cry. All I could do was cry. For them, life has just begun, and mine is ending.
I love that movie.
No, seriously, Callin.
Hey. They did her thing. I think she stopped acting. I don't know. She wasn't that good of an actress. I don't know, because
She just could sing.
It upsets she acted.
You should have warned me, but that would have been too kind. I've been warning you for months, Effie. You've been warning me for what? You've been late, you've been mean, and giving all kinds of bullshit. You're lying, cause you're knocking off that piece who thinks she's better than anybody. You ain't better than anybody. She ain't nothing but common. Now who you calling common? You're self-absorbed and unprofessional. I'm calling you the common pieces knocking off. Now you listen to me, miss, blame it on the world. See, I put up with you for much too long. I have put up with your bitching, I put up with your nagging, and I am screaming too. Oh, now when are you two gonna stop all this fighting? Yeah, well it's between me two, cause there's much.
Is this where Black Yard Week be? I think so. Either they... You doing Centennial first?
I'm trying to see, cause I don't know how long the wheel thingy actually takes. Like how long it takes for them to go around. And we got to be at the thing at 1, and it's inside the Children's Museum. Is it inside or does it say connected to?
That fun is chill.
That little heat just kicked in.
Sounds like the warm is better.
I don't know. It don't give me a description. It just say inside. Come back and get some pictures over there.
Hi folks, what time are your tickets for?
1 o'clock.
Okay, I'm gonna have you come back in 10 minutes, please.
Okay.
trying to get the comfy. Crazy that this is my first time finding something magnetic. Yeah, in Chicago at all. Like I found nothing to have this on, and that's the whole purpose. What, my tripod? Yep, it's attached to the mirror, I think. Yep, I had it up there this morning for my phone. I got two of them. I got one that's magnetic for the phone, and then I have one that suctions because some stuff ain't got a magnet. So I got two. Yeah. Not you talking about you really scared. You really scared for what? This one ain't like that.
Oh, okay.
We ain't gone to the wheel yet.
Oh, okay. Because I thought this was the one that they just...
All right. Yes. Love it. Love it. Yes.
And you take it everywhere you go?
Everywhere. Everywhere. Everywhere I go.
It's good quality too. Like she been using it for a very long time. It's
Yeah, I done had it about a year and some change now. Yeah.
Does it move with you?
Mm-hmm. You can put like face tracker on it. I don't have it on right now, but let me see. If I put my tracker on.
What is it? A DG what?
DJI.
Yeah.
And so now, yes, we are. Yes, we are. At this point, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's 146.
Or you
You
download
can.
it to
It's an app. It's an app where you can Bluetooth it to your phone.
your- Got it.
And you can like preview all the stuff on your phone. You can edit it from there. You can download it. But yeah, you're welcome.
Safety briefing, and then we'll move on to our state-of-the-art flying ride. It'll take your breath away, but we promise we'll get it back. After that, you can learn more about our characters and filming locations as you make your way through the after-show areas. So, don't forget your sense of curiosity, but also don't forget to silence your cell phones with the flash off so everyone can fully enjoy what's ahead. All right, it's time. Please follow your guides, listen to their instructions, and get ready to embark on a one-of-a-kind adventure.
But Chicago will push you. You have an audience out here. All right. They don't believe you.
Chicago is the heartbeat of the country.
Is y'all ready? Not tilting your neck. Oh my goodness. This is lit. Did we actually move? I can't even tell.
Feels like it.
I feel like we moving. Oh, I'm talking shit. That's why she looked.
There's Navy Pier.
I'm crying. Oh, hold on. Lord, please don't let my phone fall under the Oh my God, it was water. Oh, not underneath it. Oh, okay.
Shot City, my city, fly people in the fly city, come get fly with me.
I need one. Oh, wow. You better sing, girl. Oh, that's the Chicago Dance Choir. Love it. Woo! Okay, come on then. Come on then. No.
Where is She like that. Drop us in. That'll be a mean
Oh my goodness. I love this. Look at the beat. Woo! 2:30, won't you beat me by the beat? Oh my gosh. That is so cool. Oh, what would have been cool if we could see ourselves
in the bed going under.
Yes.
Oh.
Oh. We can wind back up like a dang on fish stick. That was so freaking cool.
Welcome back. We hope you had a great
Thank you.
time. To unfasten your seatbelt, push the button to your left. You'll find the exit to your right. Don't forget to gather any items stored beneath your seat before you go. Thanks for taking a journey with us today. We hope to see you again soon.
That was so cool. I was so scared they was gonna flip our ass over. Okay, y'all, so I feel like the review from Flyover, it was super dope. It was really amazing, a very fun experience. It felt really, really, really real. Hello. It's so funny. Everybody be wanting to speak. They be wanting to speak, but not wanting to speak. Right. Okay, so guys, I have someone here who's going to tell us, I'm at Flyover Chicago, their favorite thing about the city.
The pizza in Chicago, pizza and the Cubs.
Pizza and the Cubs. Period. Thank you. To the wheel we go. Oh my freaking gosh. What the heck? Look at this, y'all.
That's such a T clip. Like that's gonna be so
Oh my
cute.
gosh. Oh. Oh. It ain't nothing different. But okay, baby. I guess.
Oh, it's like the outside.
Right, just close these motherfucking doors.
Maybe. You get to come get some more food in July.
Literally. I just burnt all in y'all ear. That'll be okay.
You've been on a road. They'll push you.
All right, y'all. Y'all could have turned this shit off.
Welcome to Navy Pier, the People's Pier, and welcome to the spectacular new Centennial Wheel, named in honor of our 2016
Oh my
Centennial
goodness.
celebration. Soaring to heights of nearly 200 feet, the view from the top is absolutely breathtaking. And as you go for a spin aboard the wheel, allow us to tell you a little more about a place Chicago revolves around, Navy Pier. Since 1916, Navy Pier has sparkled on Lake Michigan's shoreline and created millions of lasting memories for generations of Chicagoans and guests from around the globe.
Oh, this is.
Since its inception, the pier has served as a military training ground, the first home of the University of Illinois at Chicago, and a stage for the world's greatest musicians at Chicago Fest. The modern pier was realized in 1993. And today, we are in the midst of reimagining Navy Pier for its second century. After 100 years, Chicago's front porch continues to open doors to endless excitement. Be sure to visit the new Polk Brothers Park, delectable food experiences,